Come bake a blueberry crumble loaf cake with me. Add your sugar into the mixing bowl along with the zest of an orange. Rub the zest into the sugar to release the citrusy oils. Add your butter, salt, and a dash of vanilla and start beating with a paddle attachment. Add your eggs little by little and continue mixing. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure everything gets mixed well. In the meantime, measure out your dry ingredients, put a spoon of flour in your berries and give it a good mix. This helps to keep the berries from sinking to the bottom of the batter. Start spooning in your flour into your wet ingredients and mix on low until it's mixed well. Give it one last mix with your spatula to make sure there are no lumps. Add your berries and gently fold into the cake batter. Be as gentle as you can so you don't knock out too much of the air you have incorporated into the batter. Pop it onto a lined baking pan. Smoothen it out as evenly as you can. You can bake it at this point and you would get a delicious loaf cake. But to give it a little bit of extra oomph, I'm going to add a crumble topping before popping this in the oven. In a bowl, mix together flour, sugar, cinnamon powder, and melted butter. Spoon this evenly onto your cake batter and bake at 180 Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Once you have the basic cake batter, you can play around with the flavors and use different berries, fruits, chocolate chips, or even nuts instead of just using blueberries. When the cake is golden on top, insert a skewer or knife in the center, and if it comes out clean, your cake is baked and ready to go. Give this a go at home and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye!